He's probably like, oh no, oh no, oh no, where is he? He's like, I don't want to go any farther.
Oh
wow, I've never seen this before. He's screwed, look at. Whoa!
Wow!
Kick him back in.
Holy cow!
Well, if the fish are that hungry today, we might have a hell of a day.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
There he
wicked
is over
footage,
there.
man. The little pikey's smart now. He's like going parallel. He's like, I can't go out there. I'm gonna get nailed.
He's out there.
And it's not even that big of a pike trying to get him.
Did you find the battery?
This is more important, the footage of this.